The Luxembourg Palace and Gardens, Palais du Luxembourg and Jardin du Luxembourg, are one of Paris's most famous and beloved landmarks, located in the 6th arrondissement. They are deeply rooted in French history and offer a beautiful blend of art, nature, and political significance. Here is a detailed overview of the Palace and Gardens. The Luxembourg Palace, Palais du Luxembourg. Current role: the palace is the seat of the French Senate, the upper house of the French Parliament. History and architecture. Origins. Construction was commissioned between 1612 and 1617 by Marie de Medici, the widow of King Henry IV and mother of Louis XIII. She was tired of the Louvre Palace and wanted a residence that would remind her of her childhood in Florence, specifically the Palazzo Pitti. Style. The palace was designed by architect Salomon de Brosse in the Louis XIII style, but with a clear inspiration from Italian Renaissance architecture. Evolution. Over the centuries, the palace has undergone significant renovations and repurposing. It was used as a prison during the French Revolution before being converted into a legislative building. In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, visiting the palace. While it is a working government building, some parts of the palace are accessible to the public, usually through guided tours or during special events like European Heritage Days. The Luxembourg Gardens, Jardin du Luxembourg. The expansive 25-hectare, 60-acre gardens are a tranquil oasis in the city and are owned and managed by the French Senate. Key attractions and activities. Lake Grand Bassin. The large, central octagonal pond in front of the palace is famous for the rental of small, traditional wooden sailboats, a beloved Parisian tradition, especially for children. The Medici Fountain, Fontaine Medici's, an impressive and romantic grotto-style fountain built by Marie de Medici. It was later moved and restored under Napoleon Bonaparte, and features a sculpture group of Ossus and Galatea. Statues and sculptures. The gardens are adorned with over 100 sculptures, including a famous series of 20 statues of French queens and illustrious women, known as the Reines de France et Femmes Illustres, encircling the central lawn. You can also find a bronze replica of the Statue of Liberty. Orangerie, l'Orangerie. Built in 1830, this building houses a large collection of exotic plants like palm trees, oleanders, and orange and pomegranate trees during the winter months. It also hosts temporary art exhibitions during the summer when the plants are moved outside. Children's activities. The gardens are a paradise for children, featuring pony rides, an antique carousel, a playground, and the famous Theatre des Marionnettes, puppet theater. Recreational areas. The park is known for its green, movable metal chairs that visitors can position anywhere on the gravel paths to relax and read. Other amenities include tennis courts, chess tables, and a bandstand that hosts free concerts from June to October. Design. The gardens are split into a formal French garden style near the palace, and a more natural English garden style on the side. They also feature an orchard and an apiary, bee house, where beekeeping courses are sometimes offered. From its start as a queen's private estate to its current role as a governmental seat and a public park, the Luxembourg Palace and Gardens beautifully encapsulate centuries of Parisian history and culture. I hope you enjoy the views surrounding of the Luxembourg Palace and Gardens in Paris, France.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.